Tries to play it through, and he's managed to get free. Nicely aimed pass. And it's made its way to him. Great chance! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
And he's there to retrieve it. That's good play. He's going for goal! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Well, that always looked a little ambitious for me, but still, at least he had the confidence to take it on.
It's been a pretty high-octane start, at least from one side's perspective.
Yeah, it's a good start, Peter, and they look hungry for goals, and they'll be aware of having to capitalise in such a good spell.
Well, there's the clearance. Pressing high and with purpose. It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Yeah, they've got a good grip on this game, now to turn it into a stranglehold. Tunisia clearly are trying to establish themselves as a team that likes to retain the ball, Peter.
And it's a good watch, Jim, isn't it?
Well, it is, and it's always a pleasure for me to see a team move the ball in silky fashion like this. But you know what's coming next, Peter. It has to be with a mean cutting edge.
Oh, super big chance! Just off target.
That is a really good chance missed, Peter. Certainly the way he's been playing.
Played out towards the right wing. He's gone for goal! What a hit! What a hit! A rocket and some! Sumptuous finish, an absolute joy! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
He had the whole picture in his head, Peter. He didn't even look at the goalkeeper.
A 1-0 lead established.
Yeah, and just as the manager's been reminding his players, this is the time where they can't afford to let their focus slip.
Hannibal! Oh, he's managed to get himself offside. Now, who's going to be first to this? And if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them. 1-0 the score. He's tried one! That's a half-decent try.
Yeah, that's a decent try when you consider the range.
He's having a go! Oh, that was no routine save.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
And we have our very first corner. Expertly cut out, really nicely done. Tunisia have the chance to go the other way. That's a good... And he shoots! They've got to be quick to recover this. Not the most accurate pass. Hannibal. 1-0 here just before the break, and it looks as though it's going to stay that way for now. Too much pressure, and he's lost the ball. foot in. Hannibal, looking for options for movement. He's being urged to shoot.
Two added minutes has been indicated.
And he's had a hit! Decent enough try.
Well, to put it this way, he's probably made better decisions.
Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. A very combative, competitive half with just the one decisive moment. It's been compelling stuff.
Just
what have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, I think the scoreline offers a fair reflection of the level of endeavour from both teams. I think they lead because they did most of the probing. A little more penetration, I think, should help them get the job done.
Leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. That gets things going for the second half. A solitary goal. That has been the crucial difference. And the return pass. Hannibal.
It's a decent chance to counter-attack.
Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
That's simply brilliant defending. They were outnumbered, but he still came out on top.
Oh, nice touch. Can he finish? Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
It's their second corner of the game. And now a sudden chance to counter. Being still separated by the game's only goal. Well, that looks a decent ball. This looks promising. Goes for a shot! Oh, he's managed to get it all wrong.
He did well there, held his run enough to ensure he didn't stray offside.
Oh, that's really good play on the right. He's driving forward. Your impression so far, Jim?
I think the manager's pondering his options as to whether to stick or twist Peter in view of the time remaining. He might have a tough call to make now.
He's in a great position here. Shoots! And it's hit the woodwork and out! And he's quick to get it clear again. He's going for goal! Just not quite happening for him just now.
They're just unrelenting, Peter. A matter of making at least one of them count.
Hannibal. Bops him off it and wins back the ball. Great defending, strong and determined. Pass somewhat off target.
They want to be quick here. It's breakaway time.
Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Just about up to 75 minutes.
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment to goals.
Now this could be a chance. That is lovely. Oh, the movement is slick, the speed is slippery. The defence, though, able to hold on this time. Pinches it off him. Just no time to dwell on the ball there. That's good running with the ball.
They've got to make this nice and quick.
Still just that single goal and we are nearly done. He's having a go! And that is certainly not what he had in mind.
Well, it was going to take something a bit special from there, and that wasn't it.
Substitutions taking place.
Tunisia are making a change now. Sakiri.
Look, there has to be more urgency here. The ball has to get to the other end much faster.
I think we're just about done here. And he's chosen to go back.
Well, it's probably safe to say now, Peter, that it's going to be all about game management from here.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Good ball, good take. Oh, well played. He needed to get that right. And the shot! Oh, the ball's come loose here. And that is it. The referee has seen enough. Well, that was tense. Boy, that was tense. The two sides separated by the game's only goal. Your final thoughts, Jim?
And there's a lot more to read into this game than just the scoreline.